What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about NIO and Tesla. We have news on both the companies coming out. We have some good news on Tesla, some bad news on Tesla, a short seller attacking the company. Also, NIO is up over 8% today, so we're going to be talking about NIO. And on top of that, I just want to wish everyone a happy New Year's. And this is the last video for 2019 that I will be making. So I hope everyone had a great 2019 and I wish you guys the best 2020. So I will see you guys in 2020. But in the meantime, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, and let me know in the comment section what you guys think about both these companies. Which company will outperform which? Do you guys think Tesla will do better in 2020 or NIO will do better in 2020? But for now, let's get this video started. So first things first, we're going to be talking about Tesla Shanghai producing 1,000 cars a week. So Tesla has delivered its first batch of made in China Model 3s to 15 of its Chinese employees. We spoke about that yesterday, and today we found out that they could produce over 1,000 cars every week, and in the future it is expected to produce up to 3,000 cars in 1 week. So this means that if this Gigafactory is able to produce 1,000 cars every week, that means in 1 year this Gigafactory will be able to produce 48,000 Tesla vehicles in 1 year. And if they reach their max capacity, we multiply that by 3, that will be 144,000 Model 3s being produced in this Gigafactory every year in China. So obviously this is really good news, considering that not too long ago the Chinese Gigafactory was pretty much just dirt and water, and now you actually see a full factory and they're producing 1,000 cars a week. So this is really great news for Tesla. But when there's good news, there's also bad news, and I'm just going to scroll to the very bottom of this article where we see Ruard Haig right here. So this is his article, and in the bottom he discloses that we are short Tesla. I wrote this article myself and it expresses my own opinions. So of course this guy who just wrote a negative article on Tesla happens to be shorting the company. So we're just going to read the summary real quick. Tesla's stock price is well above the conversion price of 3 issues of convertible debt. Conversion is only possible if certain conditions are satisfied. I expect these conditions to be satisfied soon. With an upcoming dilution of up to 12 million new shares, I expect the current irrational rally will soon be over. Therefore, I recommend selling the stock. This analyst, he's recommending this stock to be sold. Well, we're going to get into exactly why. So recently, the stock price of Tesla increased to $430. As a result, the share price is now above the conversion price of 3 issues of convertible debt. The outstanding amount are on page 24 of recent quarterly reports. So these notes can only be converted if one or more conditions are satisfied. The filings of the 3 notes seem to be identical apart from interest rates, dates, and conversion rates. He says that he expects the share price to decline again because sales will decline dramatically during the next 2 quarters. So it would make sense if note holders tried to sell for at least 90% of the value as if converted. If enough holders do that, the bid price of the debt would fall below 98%. If that happens to be at least 5 consecutive days. So he's saying that sales will dramatically decline in the next 2 quarters. I don't know where he's getting this from when everyone's expecting Tesla to go above 100,000 cars delivered in the next quarter. So I'm really not sure where he's getting all this information from, but this could just be him attacking Tesla because, as he stated at the bottom of this article, he is shorting Tesla. So this could be just an attack at Tesla because clearly he's lost a lot of money in the past couple months, and I guess this is his way to try to make some of those losses back. So the bottom line is, I don't think that note holders are holding these notes for a clean future or because they want Tesla to succeed. No, they are rational investors that have bought these notes on attractive terms. Now they are seeing their chance to realize another windfall gain. They will run away by converting the debt. So I expect all note holders to convert their notes into new Tesla shares. So if all this debt is going to be converted, Tesla will issue 12.758 million new shares. That is a substantial dilution compared to the current share count of approximately 180 million. So if this was the case, Tesla would now have 192.75 million shares outstanding, which still isn't too bad. There's a lot of companies out there with couple billion shares outstanding, but of course that's not what Tesla shareholders want to see. They don't want to see these shares being diluted. But at the same time, this is just an article attacking Tesla by a shorter. So let me know your thoughts and your opinions, what you guys think about this article. Do you think Tesla will dilute 12.758 million more shares? I'm going to leave this article in the link in the description below, and you guys can read and catch up to this full article. But for now, let's move on to some other news, which is now some NIO news, which is NIO zooms higher again. But actually, before we move on to NIO, I just want to take a quick look at Tesla today. And Tesla is currently up 1.08%. Tesla started trading sideways after having a nice little downfall yesterday. You could kind of see they're trading sideways right now. If we look at today's charts in the morning, we did wake up red, so maybe it was looking a little scary for Tesla. Almost hit $401, but almost immediately recovered all our losses within the first trading hour. And now we're going to move on to NIO real quick. We're just going to look at their charts before we look at NIO. And NIO is up 8.87%. So once again, NIO having another hot day. Unfortunately, NIO did not recover all of their gains from yesterday when they almost went up to $5. NIO's currently sitting at $4.05, which is still really good. NIO had a huge gap up in the morning, and as you can see, it almost immediately got filled in downward direction. It's been a very volatile morning for NIO. I'm not sure if it's day traders just collecting profits or making some purchases here, but NIO has been very volatile today. And we're going to quickly move on to some NIO news, which is NIO zooms higher again. Shares of NIO shoot up another 12.37% in the pre-market trading after a 53% post-market rally yesterday. So as you can see, the pre-market was really hot, which explains why NIO had a huge gap up in the morning. Yesterday's earnings calls, NIO CEO William Li said that the company's order backlog growth has accelerated since September, and the strength in order flow continued in Q4. The growth has been underpinned by three key factors: strong competitiveness of our ES6 in its quality, performance, and pricing, strong support from our users community, and our sales network expansion through the efficient NIO spaces. So today it's both a green day for NIO and Tesla. It's looking really good for these companies. It's the end of the year. 2019 is over. So 2020 is going to be a new year, a big year. I think it's going to be a really big year for Tesla. And NIO, I'm still very questionable about the company. It is a speculative stock, and it's still a stock I hold in my portfolio. Obviously, I hope the company does well, but I won't be surprised if it swings either way. Let me know in the comment sections what you guys think about both these companies. Which company do you think will outperform which? And that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button. Also, I want to wish everyone a happy New Year's, and I wish everyone the best 2020, and I'll see you guys in 2020. Bye-bye.